Since the epidemic happened in Taiyuan City, Shanxi Province, North China on April 3rd, the whole city is carrying out an intense epidemic prevention and control measures. In addition to those epidemic prevention and control personnel, the volunteers wearing red vests are also assisting them in many occasions. And among the red vests, there is a foreign girl who is particularly eye-catching. Let's go to learn about her story together.
你好，我叫伊丽娜，我来自摩尔多瓦，我在太原已经有16年了。这期群里呢是写的是需要从18岁到60岁呢，我发了个信息，我能听懂，我会说。但是不知道能不能给大家去，因为我这是第一次在中国当志愿者呢，我有时候心里有点紧张呢。也不知道大家能不能听懂我说话呢。然后呢，这一次当了，我觉得特别的成功。然后第二次这次也是再去参加当志愿者呢。我觉得没有什么特别的原因呢，我觉得这是我们应该去做的呢。每个人都要去参加，今天我们几个人去帮忙，明天你们几个人去帮忙，大家这样也不会特别的累。发布视频了以后，很多人对我那么多的温暖的话，对我那么多的点赞，就是有一个希望，疫情快结束。